all that being said, let's get into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that saves us time, makes us money, or just helps us have more fun in our life. Heather, would you like to go first, or would you like me to?
You can go first.
Okay, so the widget I shared with our group in our Media Mayor Mastermind, is a new microphone that one of our agents bought, and it's called a Comica. And if you look on Amazon, you'll find it. I think it's about $300. And what's really cool about this is it gives you 4 microphones, 4 transmitters, and it all goes into one receiver. So you put one receiver on your camera. You can have up to 4 microphones there. I remember when we started Media Mayor Mastermind having, or our video series, we would only have one microphone, and then I bought another microphone, and getting it all into the camera was really difficult. So if you look, let me find it real quick on Amazon, but it's the Comica microphone. Let me see what it's called. Here's one for a 2 per. It's the Boom XD. Oh, it's just look at Comica. You'll find them. But like I said, they're about $350. And I think that we're gonna buy them soon. So that's my widget.
Cool. Mine's not as fancy or as expensive as yours.
Good. We'll share it.
I am not a techie person at all, so any little thing for me, I'm just like, oh, wow, this is so fun. So for me, I have every single night put on my phone on Do Not Disturb at a certain time, and it is like life-changing for me because in the middle of the night, 2 a.m., I hear ding, ding, ding because all those automatic emails are going out, and I wake up and I'm like, God, who's texting me? And it's not. It's like a Twitter update or whatever. So for me, doing the Do Not Disturb or focus mode at work or whatever all of those are, but Do Not Disturb has helped me just to like peace out from the phone and everything online and just be like, get a good night's sleep.
Good.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We will see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.